Hey everybody, Will back, Will Shop Dayton, and I'm here with the 2004 Nissan Sentra. And if you've ever had this problem when you try to start your car, I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's not the starter, it's not the battery, it's this sensor right here. That is the crankshaft position sensor, and that's what's making the car start. So I'm going to show you how to change it out today. All you're going to need is basically a 10mm socket, ratchet, wrench, maybe a screwdriver. And give me a second and I'll show you how to change that out. It's really simple, really easy. As you can see, right on the top of the engine on the 1.4 Nissan Sentra, right there. Very easy. Okay, back and ready to change this out real quick. It's gonna be real quick. This is my new part, new crank sensor. I went with a 10mm socket. See, part number right there. There you go. So let's go ahead and change this out. Loosen it. Easy. Unscrew it. It's a 10mm screw. Remove the screw. Remove the clip, which is just the tab that you push in right there. Put that out the way. Should get a little wiggle and should slide right, hopefully right out. Let's see what we got. It'll come right out. Ooh. Okay, so I'm going to grab a screwdriver. Grab a screwdriver and just pry it out a little bit. There we go. Slides right out. As you can see, that's the old one. Switch it back, as you see it when it starts. And I'm going to drop the new one, as I just did. It's the brand new one. And we're going to install like that. It should pop in. There's an O-ring there. Pop it in. Nice and tight, lined up flush. I'm going to reinstall our screw. Reinstall our sensor. Reinstall our screw. That's pretty much it. Put that in. Make sure it's flush. Pop it all the way in. A little turn, a little wiggle. And then just tighten it down. Down back in. What's up, everybody? Will back, Will Shop Dayton, here with the 2004 Nissan Sentra 1.8. We just changed out the crankshaft position sensor. So we're going to test it. We're going to go for 5 consecutive starts and see if it's working, good or not. And also, they do recommend that you change the camshaft position sensor in tandem with this. So we'll probably be doing that video here in a couple months. But for right now, let's see if we can get 5 straight starts. 1, Starts good. Starts strong. Perfect. Go. 2. Perfect. 3. Perfect. 4. And one more. 5. So that's how you change out your crankshaft position sensor on a Nissan Sentra 1.8. And that's how you fix that problem. You get it starting every time perfectly. Remember that you may have to change both of them. They're basically the same exact part. So you can order 2 of them and be prepared to change them out. You know, change them both out at the same time, and you should not have a problem. I appreciate everybody. You have a blessed day. Be safe. Peace.